early morning in the Perhentian Islands, which are off the east coast of Malaysia. Big island, small island, we are going here. Similar to the Corn Islands actually, except for it's less than an hour off the coast by speedboat and crystal clear water. We're taking a boat to an island called Rendang, and we're going to spend the day snorkeling, hopefully see some turtles, some sharks, and enjoy ourselves. Snorkeling time, baby! You! Just been on an hour boat ride to Rendang, and we've got a turtle spot. I think they feed the turtles, so the turtles always come. Interestingly, the tour operator said that you have to snorkel with life jackets, but this guy said that we don't have to wear them because that would be very irritating. Oh yeah, guys, got some squid. That's it. Yeah. Right, time to suit up.
Oh, it's so graceful. Now
Looks so good.
Now roll up.
Oh god, it's so tight.
You've got food there, yeah? Been well trained.
Hello.
Oh, he's got food for them, that's why. Hashim has got food, yeah.
Here we are.
There you are.
So supposedly this used to be like a fisherman's area, and the turtles were attracted to the fishermen because they would just eat the small sort of bait fish. And then tourists came, and the turtles stayed. They've been here for decades, apparently. So the guy said, as per usual, if you're the first ones here, you'll have like 15 turtles to yourself, whereas now
15 boats to yourself.
yeah there's probably 15 boats, and the turtles come to the new boats that arrive because they've figured out that those are the ones that still have squid and food for them. But that was really good. The turtles are big and there's loads of them, so I've never seen that many turtles just in the wild before, albeit like semi-wild, because
They are wild.
they are wild, they're just being...
They're wild. It counts.
There's a quid pro quo there.
This was a
Cats.
nature experience.
Turtle cats are there.
Turtle cats. Just transferred to another spot, and it's coral now. Coral and fishies.
Gorgeous elegant.
Deep?
Dead.
Oh, date. Date.
Apparently the coral's dead. Let's have a see. Quick stop for lunch, and then we're on to another one. This water looks fake. Crazy colour. Got back. Today was a good day. It was a good day. Turtles were definitely the highlight. So many turtles. Plus we found out that there's 22 people in our group, and we had only 5 of us because we're a family in our boat. So however many left, 17 on the 16 on the other boat. The tour operator shall remain nameless, but thank you, anonymous man who organised that. And then the other thing is that I haven't fact checked this, but my mum says that Malaysia has a lot of public holidays almost every month. So if you want to avoid the crowds, you might want to organise around those public holidays, because if you got to that beach or where the turtles were, you know, first thing, and had all the turtles to yourself, that would be a bit, I mean, it was incredible anyway. My brother has done that before, and he said there was only 1 or 2 turtles, whereas you know, each boat had maybe 3 or 4 big green turtles. Would highly recommend Perhentian Islands. I've just walked up to the north of the small islands and found a secluded beach, and there's nobody here, which is very peaceful. The beach itself, I mean, it's not a beach, but it's just made up of dead coral and shells. And these things, look at that. Looks very pretty, but it's lethal on bare feet. Really enjoyed my time here. Logistics wise, we've stayed at Mimpi Resort, which costs, I think it's £65 per night per person. So it's cost us £1,000 for 3 nights for 5 people. Honestly, the hotel's only 4 years old and it's sort of falling apart, which is unfortunate. I imagine that, you know, it being pretty much empty during COVID didn't help at all. So there's probably better places to stay. Sorry, Mimpi. The day trips, I think the trip to the Perhentian Islands and back is about, everything seems to be between 45 and 65 ringgit, so 8 to 11 pounds, about that. And so the day trip yesterday to see the turtles and all the snorkeling was 65 ringgit per head, so whatever that is, 11 pounds, 12 pounds. And the ferry back and forth was, I think, 60 ringgit each as well, plus a 20 or 30 ringgit tax. So you're paying probably £15 for the ferry here and back, and then you probably look at hotels anywhere in the 20 to 70 pound range per night. It's very, very peaceful. Would highly recommend. I'll probably put the drone up just to show this little beach, and then we'll call it a day for this video. Bye bye.